Hi, so I've been looking into what we can do to get more video views since we're making more videos at the moment. For starters, the ideal thing is to be young and cool, but since the boat's already sailed on that one, I've looked into what else we can do. The big thing is to make sure that you have some quick edits, to be a bit jumpy, because apparently people have an attention span of around about a nanosecond. And this will jolt them into attention. Plus, adding a little beep every time you cut the scene. You don't want them to get bored with watching you. Apparently, using different locations, especially outdoors, is a good idea. And if you can give people a bit of an insight into your awesome life, then that's good too. Add in some product placement so that brands know that you're willing to work with them. The thing is, I'm 44 years old. I don't think I can be bothered with this crap. I just want to talk to women about feeling good about themselves. I'm just going to leave all the cool stuff to somebody else.